Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. In this series, the topic of discussion is Najafgarh Jheel Restoration Plan. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, the National Green Tribunal or NGT has directed Delhi and Haryana to enforce the Environment Management Plan, that is EMP. It is prepared by the two governments for the regeneration and protection of the Najafgarh Jheel, a transboundary wetland. Now let's discuss about the Environment Management Plan. The top priority would be to notify the Najafgarh Jheel and its area of influence under the Wetlands Conservation and Management Rules 2017. The rules prohibit and regulate certain activities within wetlands and their zone of influence. It lists immediate measures to be taken, including demarcating the boundary of the wetland using geotagged pillars and commissioning a hydrological assessment and species inventory. The Jheel is known to be a habitat for migratory and resident water birds. It also proposes a detailed estimation of sewage generation in the area, considering 15 years of projected population and identification of all drains contributing to pollution in the Jheel. Now let's discuss about the Najafgarh Jheel. It is located in a natural depression in southwest Delhi, close to the Gurugram-Rajokri border on National Highway 48. The lake is largely filled with sewage from Gurugram and surrounding villages of Delhi. A portion of the lake falls in Haryana. The presence of 281 bird species, including several threatened ones such as Egyptian vulture, Sarus crane, steppe eagle, etc. Now let's understand what are wetlands. Wetlands are areas where water is the primary factor controlling the environment and the associated plant and animal life. They occur where the water table is at or near the surface of the land or where the land is covered by water. Wetlands are defined as lands transitional between terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems where the water table is usually at or near the surface or the land is covered by shallow water. 2nd February is World Wetlands Day. It was on this date in 1971 that the Ramsar Convention on Wetlands was adopted in Ramsar, Iran. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. Wetlands are biodiversity-rich aquatic ecosystems. 2. The Environment Management Plan prohibit and regulate certain activities within wetlands and their zone of influence. Which of the statements given above is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.